options here for
We'll change sides.
Petrano. Here's Prima. Taken down by his opposite, Sam Kane, way through Gonzalo Petrano. And Bowden Barrett. So decisive too.
Yeah, he has been, hasn't he?
Scott Barrett wins it.
Stay back, 9. Stay back.
And now Taylor holding in the back. The All Blacks having it now to release it for Geordie Barrett. Back inside for Taylor, who, as always, makes it. Got it away to Taylor. Big time. Now it's a great defense of Bowden Barrett. Ball's still there though. Smith has a little damage.
Well, they've orchestrated. Changes being made as well now.
For a while, do you think?
2 tries for Shannon Frizzell.
Or they're just coming anyway.
The All Blacks strike it just after the break.
Yes.
And Scott Barrett wins it cleanly. As the All
Right
Blacks
up
roll
there.
around. There's the prospect. And the Brentford will almost, that was very nearly
Their throw.
a great
Not their throw. Who's throw?
to Barrett.
Oh, it was the right option, wasn't it? I think he would have been able to go a little. Great defence from Argentina.
Platform was set up front. They used the scrum.
There's replacements halfback for the Pumas. Fairley's going to get it.
No!
Good tackle by Ioane.
Some fast runners here.
Get themselves offside here. Oh, the prospect was outstanding.
Oh, was it what? Worked out from Argentina because the
So tell me, Larry, how do you think the All Blacks are doing? And what about the Pumas? Really? Fair enough. Well, we'll go back to watching the game, eh?
Oh, yeah!
You got it.